Welcome to AI Productivity Hub, your go-to channel for mastering AI tools and boosting productivity. Today, we're diving into the most powerful AI tools that can transform how you work, automate tasks, and save you hours every day. From generating scripts, creating stunning visuals, editing videos seamlessly, to automating your social media workflow, we've got you covered. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just an AI enthusiast, this channel is designed to give you actionable tips and hands-on tutorials that actually work. We'll show you step-by-step how to leverage AI tools like 11 Labs, Pictory AI, CapCut AI, and more, so you can take your productivity to the next level. Stay tuned as we break down complex AI processes into simple, easy-to-follow guides that anyone can implement. And don't forget, if you want to supercharge your workflow and save countless hours, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Ready to get started? Let's dive in.